A fraction can be reduced to its lowest term when both the numerator and denominator can be divided by common factors. Remember, in maths, a factor is any number that can divide another number without leaving a remainder. A fraction gets to its lowest term when neither the numerator nor the denominator can be divided by a common factor. Therefore, 1/4, 2/3, 3/4, and 4/5 are all examples of fractions in their lowest terms. Now, let's look at example 1. We are going to express 2/4 in its lowest term. When you are expressing a fraction in its lowest term, the only thing to do is to look for the common factors that can divide both the numerator and denominator without leaving any remainder. Looking closely at the fraction before us, we can see that 2 is the common factor of 2 and 4. So we divide the numerator 2 by 2 and also divide the denominator 4 by 2. This will give 1 as the new numerator and 2 as the new denominator. Therefore, a half is the lowest term of 2/4. That's our final answer. In example 2, we are expected to reduce 4/5 to its lowest term. Let's do this together. Look closely at this fraction and try to give me an answer in 5 seconds. Your time starts now. Okay. If your answer is 4/5, you are correct. This shows that the fraction 4/5 is already in its lowest term. In example 3, we are going to reduce 24/54 to its lowest term. The factors of this fraction are 2 and 3. Let's start with 2, which is the lowest factor. So we go ahead and divide the numerator 24 by 2 and also divide the denominator 54 by 2. This will give us 12 as the new numerator and 27 as the new denominator. The new fraction 12/27 can further be reduced by dividing it by its next common factor, 3. We go ahead and divide the numerator 12 by 3 and also divide the denominator 27 by 3. This will give us 4 as the new numerator and 9 as the new denominator. Finally, the lowest term that 24/54 can be reduced to is 4/9. In this last example, we are going to reduce 48/60 to its lowest term. Looking closely at this fraction, we can see that 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 are the factors of 48 and 60. Now, let's pick 12, which is the highest factor. This will make us work faster. So we go ahead and divide the numerator 48 by 12 and also divide the denominator 60 by 12. This will give us 4 as the new numerator and 5 as the new denominator. That is, the lowest term that 48/60 can be reduced to is 4/5. Now, you can go ahead and try your hands on exercises in your mathematics textbooks. All you have to do is use the method you've learned in this class. You did great today by staying to the end of today's class. Now, you should have mastered how to express fractions in their lowest terms. Till we meet again, keep practicing and keep learning. Always remember that mathematics can be fun.